Venus Pipes and Tubes Ltd, a steel pipes and tubes manufacturer. The company was incorporated in the year 2015 and got listed on NSE and BSE in 2022. They are based in Gujarat, with more than 250 employees and 250 workers. They have one manufacturing plant located in Gujarat, encompassing an area of approximately 93,000 square meters. The market cap of the company is 3,914 crore rupees, and currently trading at 1,929 rupees per share. The company has a 46% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 120% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company manufactures seamless pipes and tubes, with production capacity of 3,600 metric tons per annum, and welded pipes and tubes, with production capacity of 8,400 metric tons per annum. They also manufacture cylindrical hollow, with production capacity of 9,600 metric tons per annum, which is backward integrated into seamless pipes and tubes manufacturing. By Q4 of 2024, company is planning to increase the production capacity of seamless pipes and tubes to 9,600 metric tons per annum, and welded pipes and tubes to 24,000 metric tons per annum. Post-expansion, the total production capacity will be 33,600 metric tons per annum. About 53% of the revenue is generated from welded pipes and tubes, 39% from seamless pipes and tubes, and 8% from others. The products of the company are used in diverse industry segments for various applications. About 50% of the revenue is generated from engineering, 32% from chemical, 5% from pharma, 1% from fertilizers, and 12% from others. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. Profits increased almost 11 times in the last 4 years. There has been no significant change in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see a good portion of foreign and domestic investments in the company. Some clients of the company are Reliance Industries, ITC Limited, Asian Paints, Adani, Amul, Bharat Petroleum, BHEL, Larsen & Toubro, Sun Pharma, and more. Company have good clientele from both public and private sector. Coming to some key highlights. In 2022, company received approval of Bureau of Indian Standard for stainless steel seamless and welded pipes and tubes. Company is planning to triple its production capacity by Q4 of 2024. Company serves more than 60 clientele, including Fortune 500 companies from India. They are exploring geographical expansion, particularly in European Union. Currently, they export to more than 25 countries, with a revenue concentration of 5% from exports and 95% from domestic. This has been a quick analysis of Venus Pipes and Tubes Ltd. Check out our other videos, and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.